JEE Main 2025 question. Here electric charge Q, permeability of vacuum mu naught and electric current I are taken as fundamental quantities. Then what is the dimensional formula of linear momentum in terms of Q, mu naught and I? So here we can write dimensional formula of P, linear momentum, mass into velocity. So m1 L1 T minus 1. Here K is constant of proportionality, that is always dimensionless. So K is m naught L naught T naught. Q is electric charge, ampere second. So dimensional formula is A1 T1 raised to suppose A. Mu naught, unit of mu naught is Newton upon ampere square. So m1 L1 T minus 2 A minus 2 raised to B, and electric current, that is ampere. So A1 raised to C. Q raised to A, mu naught raised to B, and here I raised to C. So right side, total power of M, that is B, total power of L, that is also B, total power of T is equal to here A minus 2B, and total power of A minus 2B plus C. Now compare power of MLT and A both sides. So here B is equal to 1. Now compare the power of L. So B is equal to 1. Now compare power of T. So A minus 2B is equal to minus 1. So A minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 1. So A minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So A is equal to 1. So A is 1 as well as B is 1. Now compare power of A. So A minus 2B plus C. Here there is no A. So power of A is 0. So here A is 1, B is 1, plus C is equal to 0. So minus 1 plus C is equal to 0. So C is equal to 1. So ABC is 1. So dimensional formula of E in terms of Q, mu naught and I. Q raised to 1, mu naught raised to 1 as well as I raised to 1. So Q mu naught I, that is the dimensional formula of linear momentum. Thank you.